Hey guys, and welcome to part 2 of rebuilding my old Mocs. So this is a mini two-part series, and this is obviously the second part, so the last part of this series. Now, in this series, I take a look at some of my older Mocs and rebuild them to my own standards today. So I've been building Mocs for around a year and a half, and I thought it'd be cool to take some of my older builds and rebuild them to my own standards now, just to compare how my building skills have, gotten better over the last year and a half. So in part 1, we rebuilt my first ever Moc, the 4-step Kashyyyk Moc. Definitely be sure to check out that video. There's a card on screen right now. And in this video, we will be rebuilding my Order 66 on Naboo Moc. So I built this Moc, I think it was like around July, like the beginning of July. So about a month after I started Moc building and started my YouTube channel. And looking at this Moc right now, it is definitely a lot better than the last Moc that I did for part 1. It's like half as small. So I'd say there is some more detail. But just mostly, I'd say the main reason why it's better is because I just did not add random pieces just for the sake of adding detail in this Moc. Obviously it is pretty rough. The interior of the base is deluxe is pretty bland. I really do not like how the studs look, the control panels. It's all pretty bland. The train is definitely better than the last Moc. It does look pretty good, but I'm going to rebuild it to make it look a lot better. And with this Moc, it is not going to be rushed like the last build, and it's going to be a lot smaller, so I can add a lot more detail. But I'm really excited to rebuild this Moc, and I'm going to be doing it in a time lapse. So without further ado, let's get right into the time lapse of building that Moc right now, guys. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for the video. I hope you guys all liked the mock. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I definitely spent a lot more time in it than part 1. I especially like, the grow technique, the wall technique, just the mock in general I think looks really good. I used a lot of new techniques that I've never used before, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I know that the photography is not great. I definitely take a lot better photography on Instagram, so definitely be sure to check out my Instagram page in the description down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and just this series in general. I think this mock especially definitely showed how my building skills have advanced over the last year, because if you look at this mock from a year ago, this one is just so much better on so many levels. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like if you enjoy, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.